Hi, it's Janine Turner, and this is your God on the Go Minute. So you know how you have a really rough day, and maybe you've been working in the yard or working out or had stress, and your body's like super stressed and sore, and then you take a nice hot bath, and you just go, and for me, eating a little chocolate, but taking a nice hot bath and how you feel restored. Well, that's what God is like when we're going through really difficult things in our lives. If with prayer and reaching to God and visually reaching it for His hand and lifting all of our burdens and cares up to Him, well, He gives us that kind of restoration. 1 Peter chapter 5, but we have to reach for it. Verse 10, and after you have suffered for a little while, the God of grace who has called you into His eternal glory in Christ will help restore, support, strengthen, and establish you. Reach for the hand of God. Please share this link with someone in need today. Help share this ministry. And also, if you'd like to receive this daily via email or text, it's so much easier sometimes than going through another step. Go to JanineTurner.com and hit the sign up button. Have a blessed day.